Having trouble editing a ready-made design in Cricut Design Space? Let me show you how to do it. Step 1. Open your Cricut Design Space and click on Projects. Step 2. Select any of the ready-made projects. Step 3. Click on Customize to edit the design. Step 4. Select the fine foil layer. Note, this layer may look different depending on the type of project you've selected. Step 5. Open the Operation drop-down menu and select the desired operation. Now, let's take another ready-made image and customize it. Step 1. Add an image to canvas. Step 2. Select the design, then press Ctrl+C followed by Ctrl+V on your keyboard to duplicate it. Step 3. Select the contour option. Step 4. Click on the design so that only leaves are visible. Step 5. Change the color of the duplicated image, then drag it over the original one. Leave a like and subscribe if we helped resolve your issue. Drop a comment below for more such videos and DIY ideas. Or visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at 1-786-866-5932 44-203-983-0480.